For sure.
I don't have any cobalt tools.
The fucking ratchet you just.
It's coming, is it not? Looks like it is.
Oh my goodness.
It's still caught on something. Like, you have to do something to get this off. Like, there's no way it just, like...
All right, so we got the inlet out. Look at the difference between those two parts right there.
CTS Turbo.
That's some flow right there. That's what you're getting.
That's crazy.
That's what you're getting right there.
That looks
Fit a
so
whole
much
fist
more
in
quality.
there.
Looks sick that it says CTS Turbo right there.
Yeah.
Too.
All right, guys, so we got the new inlet on. Now what? What do we got to do now? Just
Hodgepodge of nothingness. You gotta figure out which...
Oh
goes
yeah,
where.
it's like your WRX install where we were just like putting
I
stuff
believe
together.
this one goes on because it's the only one that like fits that. And that
Okay,
looks...
yeah,
that looks
that
so sick.
that looks so sick.
It's
That's
gonna look so
perfect.
good. It's gonna sound
Awesome.
crazy.
Awesome. All right, well, we will. We're gonna put all that stuff together and we'll come back and we'll just
yeah.
show it after. Cause.
Hell yeah.
All right, guys. There wasn't any tutorial here, but we're at the final point. Let's get some clips. Let's see the before and after. Oh my goodness.
That sounds so good.
Oh my god! Bro, God.